Now we're going to learn how to set up our Lovoom T20. Of course, the first step is that we need to turn it on. And to do that, we're going to plug it in. So take your power cord and go ahead and plug it in. Now, it is recommended that you don't use this plug for anything besides your Lovoom device due to voltage differences. So, let's go ahead and plug it in. Wow! So when you first plug it in, it's going to turn to the right, then back to the center, and then to the left, then back to the center. This is your device trying to find its center. Then it's going to go from a white light to a green light. That is your device going from standby to its factory settings. Okay, so moving on, let's go ahead and take a look at our remote control. Now first we need to put the battery inside the remote control by twisting the back and inserting our battery here. Now the battery used for this remote is a CR2025 3 voltage. Go ahead and just push it in there like that, and then twist your back on just like that. Now you're ready to use your remote control. Now let's take a look at the remote control's button. The buttons on the far right and the far left, these are the direction buttons. When you push these buttons, your device will either go right or left. Now we can take a look at the small button here. This is the short distance button, which will launch your kibble a short distance. This is the long distance. Then down here on the bottom is the big button. This is the auto button. So let's go ahead and put some treats inside our machine and get started. Now, normal size kibbles are about 0.2 to 0.4 inches in size. But if yours are any smaller, then you can always just switch to the smaller adapter. Open up the dispenser. So you just take your kibble and put some inside. And then just close your lid. Now it is a caution that you do not put your finger near the place where it's going to toss the treats as a caution. Also that you don't look down in it when your device is in use, as it could result in injury. Let's go ahead and use our remote. So like I said earlier, the right and left are for direction. So let's try and move our device to the right and left. Super easy, right? Moving it back to the center, let's go ahead and try a short distance throw using the small button. Wow, that was really cool. Let's try now using the long distance button. Whoa! Okay, that went really far.